Hi, today I'm going to talk about this guy right here. It is a Ulanzi quick release mount for, originally it's for the Insta360 Ace series with the quick release magnetic mount, but it will also work with other devices because it has a quick release plate on top that will screw into any quarter 20s. And I specifically got it for my new Insta360 X5. It'll also work on my X4 because of that quarter 20, but it comes with, this is what it looks like. Let me turn it around. This is what it looks like. If you notice, it's got a little two buttons on each side. If you squeeze those, this plate will come off with the quarter 20 on it, and you can put that into pretty much any device. So you can just quick release to it. Now, for the Ace Pro and for the X5 that actually have this specialized connector, you don't need that quick release plate. You can just squeeze the sides. Wanted to say it is well made. It's very substantially, it's good solid metal for sure. It also comes with a little screw thing that you can actually snap onto it because it's magnetic. That'll help you screw in your quarter 20 if you need it. Let me just show you real quick. Here is my X5, and literally this thing will just go right on here like that, and it is connected, and it is solid. If you want to pull it off, you squeeze these two here, and it'll pop right off. And so just to give you kind of a little something here to show you, and we'll put it on the end of this mount here. Just screws on the bottom of the quick release. And there you go. And if you need to take it off, you just squeeze those two and it pops right off. It's very convenient and it's very solid. There, just stick it right back on there. You just stick it on there, make sure it's connected, and it is on there. So anyway, I highly recommend this thing. It is high quality, like you normally find from all of the Ulanzi products. I have several, and they haven't let me down yet. So I highly recommend it if you're in the market for a quick release plate, especially for the new X5. It's pretty cool. Thanks.